Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a new video. Today I have another super delicious recipe for you, and that is healthy sesame chicken. This recipe really gives takeout a run for its money because not only is it delicious and easy to make, but it's also paleo, it doesn't have any refined sugar, and it's full of all good for you ingredients. If you guys are new, don't forget to hit subscribe to see lots more delicious recipes, and let's go ahead and get into it. So this is everything you are going to need in order to make your sesame chicken, and let's go ahead and get into it. So for the coating, I'm using sesame seeds and tapioca flour. This really helps to adhere to the chicken, creates a nice coating, and it's also grain-free and paleo-friendly, which is nice. Then you're gonna need an egg and just gently whisk that up because it's gonna help with our dredging. So we're gonna be first doing it into the egg and then into the flour mixture. For the sauce, I'm using coconut AMINOS, which is a great alternative to soy sauce, as well as some ground ginger and some ground garlic. And you can definitely do the fresh versions of both of these if that's what you have. Then I'm adding in half a teaspoon of honey, just for a little bit of sweetness. This recipe is definitely a lot less sweet than your traditional one, but you still get a hint of it. So I'm taking some chicken thighs that I just cut into pieces, but you can also do chicken breasts. You first dip it into the egg and then into the sesame tapioca mixture. And I'm cooking that on a pan that I added some avocado oil to over medium heat. So you're gonna cook that for about 3 minutes per side of the chicken. And you're just gonna completely do each of them until you have them all in the pan. I did about half a pound of chicken thighs just for reference. And then you add in the sauce once they're finished cooking, just to kind of coat the sesame chicken and get it nice and bubbly and thickened. And then your sesame chicken is good to go. I'm pairing this with some cauliflower rice to keep it as more of a low carb dinner that's still super filling and super delicious. You can also garnish it with a little bit of green onion and a final sprinkle of sesame seeds if you want it to make it fancy and look pretty, but you can definitely add in other fresh herbs that you like as well. But I am obsessed with this chicken sesame recipe. It's so delicious. I know you guys are gonna love it for basically any other weeknight meal. If you want more healthy dinner and healthy recipes, I'm gonna leave a link right on the screen here for the playlist so you can get lots more ideas if you're looking for more. I definitely have a lot of great recipes in that playlist, so make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in my next video.